teacher. Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you are doing something good and interesting. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter 4, No Bird, written by Andrew Fusik Peter. Here, see our new chapter. Our new chapter is No Bird. You will write the date here and write homework here. Whenever you will get the video, you will see and you will write date and homework and fill in the book also. After completing it, you will send me on the WhatsApp. Okay? Ponder. Ponder is a word which is used to describe or discuss any word or anything. Okay? Here you see some animals here. Birds, bees, lion, cat. What is the use of these animals here? See, right here, read the sentences and fill in the blanks. Read these sentences and fill in the blanks. Use the picture clue. Whenever we will fill the blanks, then first we use the picture clue. One has done for you. एक हमारे लिए किया हुआ है. I am a large, I have a mane, I roar. मैं बड़ा, मेरे पास मेन है और मैं roar करता हूँ. Obviously, I am a lion. So, here has already filled. I fly, I have feather and a beak. मेरे पास मैं उड़ता हूँ, मेरे पास पंख है छोटे छोटे और मेरे पास चोंच भी है. So, I am a bird. I fly. I love flowers. I am found in many colors. मैं उड़ती हूँ, मुझे फूल पसंद है और मैं बहुत सारे कलर्स में पाई जाती हूँ. It's bee. Fourth, I am playful. मैं थोड़ी सी naughty हूँ. I can climb trees. मतलब मैं trees पे चढ़ भी सकती हूँ. I am playful. I can climb trees. It will be monkey. Fifth, I have paws and whiskers. I have strips. मेरे पास paws है. paws मतलब पंजा. And whiskers मतलब छोटी छोटी मूछें होती हैं. और मेरे बॉडी पे स्ट्रिप्स हैं. दाग है. लाइन्स हैं. स्ट्रिप्स मीन्स छोटे छोटे लाइन्स होते हैं. Obviously it will be a cat. Here see the student. I have already underlined here some words and write the meaning. You will also write the meaning in your book. Okay? Now come to the poem. The poem is No Bird. Today I am going to recite a poem which gives us a very important message to all. Want to know what is this? So come along with me. What I am talking here? I am talking here about a boy who is oftenly used no in his every sentence, in everything. Whatever his parents, his friends, his family member talk about, ask about, he is using only the single word no. Okay? Now read the poem. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Students, whenever you will read the poem from this video, you will open your book in front of you. Okay? And repeat the poem with me. I am the no bird. मैं no bird हूँ. That's right. ये ठीक है. That's me. मैं हूँ. I live up in the tantrum tree. As you all know, the bird live on the tree. In the same way, the boy is also live in a tantrum tree. Here tantrum means गुस्से में, आउटबर्स्ट, ऑलवेज गुस्से में, हमेशा गुस्सा. तो वो बॉय अपने को कंपेयर कर रहा है कि मैं भी बर्ड की तरह हूँ. बर्ड तो ट्री में रहता है लेकिन मैं टैंट्रम ट्री में रहता हूँ. मैं हमेशा गुस्से में रहता हूँ. नेक्स्ट, कम टू द नेक्स्ट पैरा. I am the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. मैं no-no bird हूँ. मैं क्यों बोलूँ? I stamp my feet. मैं अपना पैर पटकता हूँ. And I shout. मैं चिल्लाता हूँ. And cry. और मैं तेज तेज रोता हूँ. I am the no-no bird. मैं no-no bird हूँ. I sulk and I sing. No-no to everything. मैं no-no bird हूँ. मैं हमेशा अपसेट रहता हूँ और गाता हूँ. क्या गाता हूँ? No-no to everything. हर चीज़ में क्या बोलता हूँ? No-no बोलता हूँ. क्या ये सही करता है बच्चों? क्या आप भी ऐसा करते हो? हर चीज़ में no-no बोलते हो और टैंट्रम ट्री में रहते हो, पेरेंट्स की बात नहीं मानते? It is very bad बच्चों. You have to listen your parent. और किसी भी चीज़ में ज़िद नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके? You will not be like that boy. ठीक? आप इसकी तरह बिल्कुल नहीं बनोगे. जिन वर्ड्स पे मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है, you will follow the same. You will write the hard words and word meaning in your class work copy. Okay? Again you will learn the poem and read the poem. Okay? Now stay safe and healthy. Bye students.